Dropshipping has become one of the most discussed online business models in the digital economy. Its popularity comes from one key promise: the ability to start an e-commerce business without holding inventory or investing large amounts of capital. For students, teenagers, and individuals with limited financial resources, dropshipping appears to be an attractive pathway to entrepreneurship. This analysis explores how to make money dropshipping with no money, separating myths from reality. While it is often advertised as a zero-investment business, the truth is more nuanced. Dropshipping can be started with almost no upfront capital, but it requires time, skills, strategy, and consistency. The purpose of this paper is to provide a realistic, ethical, and practical roadmap for building a profitable dropshipping business from scratch without financial investment. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment model where a store does not keep products in stock. Instead, when a customer places an order, the store owner purchases the product from a third-party supplier who then ships it directly to the customer. The seller never handles the product physically. This eliminates inventory costs, warehouse expenses, unsold stock risk. Customer places an order on your online store. You forward the order details to the supplier. Supplier ships the product to the customer. You keep the profit margin. This model allows individuals to act as marketing and brand builders rather than traditional retailers. Technically, yes, but practically it requires trade-offs. No money dropshipping means no paid ads, no paid software initially, no paid themes or branding, heavy reliance on free tools and organic traffic. Instead of money, you invest time, effort, learning, creativity. Dropshipping aligns well with students because flexible schedule, no physical office, skill-based learning teaches real-world business concepts, can be scaled gradually. Students gain experience in digital marketing, consumer psychology, branding, data analysis, entrepreneurship. Success in no-money dropshipping depends more on mindset than tools. Key traits include patience, willingness to fail, adaptability, continuous learning. Dropshipping should be viewed as a skill-building phase, a launchpad, not a shortcut, a business, not a gamble. A niche is a specific segment of the market with a clear audience, a specific problem, purchasing intent. Examples: home organization, pet accessories, fitness tools, phone accessories. You can research niches without spending money by using Google Trends, social media platforms, online marketplaces, comment sections, and reviews. A good no-money niche should solve a problem, have emotional appeal, not rely on luxury branding, be suitable for impulse buying. Strong dropshipping product solves a specific problem, has visible benefits, is easy to demonstrate, has demand but low saturation. Without paid tools, you can analyze trending videos on social platforms, study comments for buying intent, observe repeat appearances of the same product, check customer reviews for pain points. You can work with suppliers that do not require subscriptions, offer free product listings, ship directly to customers. The key is reliability, communication, and product consistency. Important factors include shipping time, product quality, customer service, refund policy. Some platforms offer free trials, no upfront hosting cost, basic store functionality. During the free period, the goal is to test products, validate demand, make initial sales. A professional store should look clean and simple, focus on one niche, use clear product descriptions, build trust with policies and facts. Effective descriptions focus on benefits, not features. Problem gives solution gives result. clear, simple language, supplier images, user-generated content, before and after comparisons. Organic traffic comes from social media, search engines, content sharing. This is the foundation of no-money dropshipping. Platforms allow free exposure through short videos, educational posts, product demonstrations, storytelling content. Consistency is more important than perfection. A strong strategy includes daily short-form content, clear call to action, engagement with comments. Content goes viral when it triggers emotion, solves a problem, feels relatable, looks authentic. Trust can be built through honest descriptions, clear policies, realistic expectations. You can use reviews from suppliers with permission, user feedback, community engagement. Efficient order management includes quick supplier communication, order tracking, customer updates, professional responses, increase trust, reduce refunds, build long-term brand value. Initial profits should go toward better tools, faster suppliers, improved branding. As income grows, automate order processing, improve customer experience, expand product lines. Dropshipping must comply with consumer protection laws, honest advertising, refund and return policies. Ethical business practices ensure sustainability. Quitting too early, copying without understanding, ignoring customer feedback, expecting instant results. Learning from mistakes is part of the process. In the beginning, focus on learning, not income. First sales validate the model. Consistency leads to growth. Dropshipping is a long-term skill, not a lottery. Even if profits are small initially, you gain marketing experience, business confidence, digital skills, entrepreneurial mindset. These skills are transferable to any future business. Storytelling is a powerful free marketing tool. It allows sellers to create emotional connections with potential customers without spending money. Effective storytelling includes relatable problem, personal or user experience, clear transformation, satisfying solution. Short-form content that tells a quick story performs well on social platforms and helps build trust naturally. Short videos are one of the most powerful tools for zero-budget dropshipping. They allow exposure to thousands of viewers without advertising costs. Effective videos show the product in action, highlight the problem clearly, demonstrate before and after results, feel authentic, not overly polished. Consistency is key. Posting regularly increases the chance of organic reach and engagement. To grow faster without money, content should be repurposed instead of recreated. One piece of content can be posted on multiple platforms, edited into different formats, used as educational or promotional material. This strategy saves time and maximizes exposure without any financial investment. Making money through dropshipping with no money is possible, but it is not easy or guaranteed. It requires discipline, creativity, patience, and continuous learning. The absence of financial investment shifts the cost to time and effort, making mindset the most valuable asset. For students and beginners, dropshipping offers an accessible entry point into entrepreneurship, teaching valuable skills that extend far beyond e-commerce. Those who treat it seriously, ethically, and strategically can build not just income, but long-term opportunity. It is about strategy, patience, psychology, and execution. Those who focus on solving problems, building trust, and learning continuously are more likely to succeed. Dropshipping without capital teaches discipline, resilience, and business thinking, skills that extend beyond online selling. When treated as a serious endeavor rather than a quick income scheme, it becomes a powerful foundation for future success.